Oh my days. I am a dummy. Okay. uh, Kishore, if that's your name, bro, thank you so much. I feel so embarrassed right now. The microphone wasn't switched on in OBS. I was talking the whole time, and I'm like, do these guys not hear me? Like, what's happening? Oh my days, thank you so much, dude. I don't know how anyone was watching me just with my mic muted. That sucks. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I was just talking that. Wait. At the moment, yeah. So I'm making a rock paper scissors game in 3D, and at the moment, I've made all the gestures, all the signs for the rock paper and scissors, but the thing missing is the actual game logic. So when the computer chooses either rock paper or scissors, the hand has to make that gesture, and I'm using 3JS, and something is going wrong when I try to like rotate the hand outside of this loader function. So I think I'll revert back to ChatGPT and ask him what's happening exactly. He has made a function called perform gesture, so let me see where he first mentioned it. Sequence animations using GSub's timeline. Make scissors and so on. Those should be all good. I haven't made this perform gesture one, so maybe this is where it's going wrong. It's something to do with the timeline and so on, so before the shake hand I'll make the perform gesture. After that, integrate with your game logic. So computer choice, I think this is the way to perform it now. Let's see if that works. I'm going to be so happy. Wait a second. So let's say perform gesture. If computer choice is rock, perform gesture. Make fist. Like that. Make paper, and then if else, make scissors. Right, so let's see if we fail epically. Right, so I'm just going to quickly copy that. After after the shake hand function I get these errors. I can also try to debug it in the console, but let's see what this guy is going to say. I don't know why my alerts are not working. Sorry to everyone that subscribed and it didn't show. Stream elements. Let me see why that is not working. Ah, that's a bummer. Sorry guys. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. We have 3 subscribers today. I'm going to manually change it. Goals. We have subscription goal progress set to 3. Is that it? Yes. Yeah, I don't know if it will work now, hopefully, so let me see what ChatGPT said. I see that you're encountering type error exception starting at cannot read properties of undefined. This error typically occurs when you're trying to access a property of an object that is undefined. Let's analyze your code step by step. Okay. In shakehand function. Okay, just pointing out the errors. Bones array not initialized properly. The bones array might not be populated when the function shakehand make paper or so are called, which I think is not the case, because here somewhere in the beginning let bones, so in the beginning we initialize this, so I don't think that's the case. Function code before model loading completes. So indeed this could be the case. Should we wait? Renderer set animation move animate. I think that's not the case also, because here the function animate is wait. I think this is how we call it, and so the model should be loaded, I believe. Bones array might not be accessible within the scope of these functions. Incorrect bone. Yes, the let bones is indeed loaded before that. So wrap game logic inside initialize game function. Now that the bones are loaded, you can proceed. Function initialize game. Shake hand. For example, make the fist and so on. Making the fist when the model loads, and probably that's not the right thing to do. But let me try to actually debug it to see what will happen. What is that? I don't want to go to GSAP. Open file, script.js. Let me start at the beginning. So post in debugger. Okay. Step. So we initialize all those variables, we create the rock, paper, scissors, so on. We create the scene, we create the camera, the loader, the bones, and so on. And we start with the loader. It goes to renderer. Okay. We add the walls and so on. So this is loaded first. We add the helper, the camera positions, the controls, and so on. And we try to perform gesture make paper first. Right. Why is that? Where is that make paper? Perform gesture. I don't think we need this actually. So I'll comment these out, but right now I don't think they're it's going into this GSAP. I should have stepped over it. So anyways, I'm going to remove these as I don't need them, and we can reset it. Alright, go on. Camera position controls, set animation loop. Alright. Computer choice, we get the computer choice. So I think the computer choice will be paper because the random index is 1. So 0, 1, it will get the paper. Yes, return value paper. Shake hand. It goes to shake hand now, and I kind of understand. Here it will give me the error. And is that because, let me do it once again. It's trying to access, where is the shake hand? It's trying to access bones at 0. 0 index bone rotation, and we haven't actually gone into the make fist, so we haven't actually going through that so we can iterate. No, we have to go through the loader first, because then we push the bones. Right, I think I'll have to do it one more time. When we go to the loader, we don't actually go into it. I'm not exactly sure how to do it. I'm not exactly sure if ChatGPT will be able to help me out as well, but I'm going to tell him what happens. The issue happens in the shake hand where we try to access the bones 0, but after going through the debugger we don't actually go into traversing the bones before calling shake hands, so there's something in the flow. I'll paste the code. I don't know if it will be able to take in the whole thing. Seems like it can. It's analyzing it. Alright, it has some ideas, it seems like. Right, let's see. So I understand that you're encountering an issue where the shakeHand function tries to access bone 0, but bone 0 is undefined because the bones have not been loaded yet. The error message indicate that you're trying to access properties of undefined, which means that the bones array hasn't been populated when these functions are called. The root cause of the problem is that you're calling shakeHand and other functions that rely on the bones being okay. Here's how you can fix the issue. Ensure that all the code that depends on the bones being loaded is executed only after the bones have been loaded. Move the game logic that depends on the bones into a function that is called after the model has loaded and the bones have been populated. So, wrap your game logic in a function. Create a function called initialize game that contains the game logic that depends on the bones. The function will be called after the model has loaded after the model has loaded and the bones have been collected. So initialize game, and here basically we get the computer choice, and shake hand. After shaking, perform the gesture. Okay. And where do we call that? Make fist, GSAP, initialize game, modify shake hand to accept callback. Accepts callback that is called after the shaking animation is complete. Alright, let me first wrap the game logic into a function. So right here we'll have a function called initialize game, that will hold all of this. I'll just move it inside. Okay, and let's see if now actually we can call the initialize game after the hand is loaded. So we'll go to where we load the hand, and after we make a fist, I'll try to initialize game. So let's see how that works. Oh wait, I have to save it. Okay. Let me actually see what the computer chose. So and do we have any errors now? No. Okay, perfect. So after that we'll console the computer choice. Okay, so it should be rock now. It is. Okay, rock again. No, it's paper. Right. It was scissors this time. Paper. No, rock. 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 Paper. Right. Paper again. Paper again. Scissors. Okay, it's kind of doing it, kind of not. Let me just see what this is. What do you see here? Co-initialize game after the model bones are loaded. Okay, so make the fist as the default position, and then he uses delayed call. Maybe we can do that for now, because later we'll wait for the user input. So first we'll delay the call and then initialize the game. So that was clearly paper, but the thing is, it yep, it doesn't shake the hand before showing the gesture. So it shakes hand, and while it's shaking, it's moving on to the next. And I think this ensures that initialize game is called after the first animation make fist has completed, adjusted delay. Okay, ensure bones are loaded, modify shake hand to accept the callback. So I think this is what's important here. Where is the shake hand function? Alright, these comments are kind of unnecessary, as it's pretty obvious what these variables are for. So I think what's different is Wait, it already accepts a callback, I believe, so on complete callback. And if bones 0 doesn't exist, then console log. If well, I'm just going to add this, not exactly sure what it does, but when they use the perform gesture, ensure that your gesture functions, check if the bones they're accessing are defined. Well, remove game watching from the global scope. I think this is okay. I think it's how we're calling the make paper, shake hand, initialize game. Alright, I think this is what we need. So where is it? Yes. So shake hand and make this into an arrow function. I'll write it out myself. So shake hand and then it takes an arrow function. If I will just have to wrap this around it. Okay. Perform gesture, make paper, and so on and so forth. Yeah, this looks fine. I see. Okay. Let's see now. Okay. Oh, that was rock. Perfect. Cool, really cool. Only the rock, there is a problem with the rock. Because if it chooses rock, it just contracts the hand more than it should. So probably we don't need to make a fist, but rather, what was it? Reset to fist. So we use reset to fist and that should fix it. Okay. Scissors. Rock. Am I still console logging it? Yes, I am. So rock. Paper. This is so cool, I love it. I love it, this is so cool. Alright. Let me check something. Where we are at. Attach computer choice to the functions to show choice. Alright, so we've done that basically. This is so cool. Alright. This light box, I believe we can push it a bit down. Is it this actually? Let me see. Maybe 8. And then what is this? 0. No, we need like 10 probably. I think we need another light that will be on top and not be so intensive. Let me just do that quickly so we can fix up the lighting. Directional light 2, directional light 2, directional light 2, 2, helper 2, helper 2. Okay, and this we set it to 0 and 0. Uh, 5. No, we need this at 0 and this at 5. Yeah, better. And now just don't make it that intense, so like 1. Cancel. It's alright. What if we make it 2? And this make it 3, let's say. Can we do 3.5? Yes. Okay. So this is good enough for now, I believe. I will remove those helpers at the moment and I'll submit the code to GitHub. This is very cool, I like it so much. Let me just quickly submit it. I'll need to add a new terminal. Cd into repos and cd into rock, paper, scissors, git add, git commit. Added function okay. Alright, we've pushed the code. I think this will be it for now. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. If not today, I will make a stream tomorrow around same time. We've been at it for a little more than 3 hours. Although it says 72 minutes because the stream crashed one time. But we've been at it for more than 3 hours and I'm really happy with the progress we did. When we started, it was just a hand with no functionality and it wasn't even oriented the right way. You can check how we began the stream today. the previous video, and now we're displaying the computer choice with the hand. We learn how to move the fingers, how to position the lights, how to implement the game logic, and it's just so cool to me. I really enjoy what we're doing here. So either today or tomorrow I'll stream again. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Really enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much.